welcome to our video. In this video, we get to see me, Amber, organize all my stuff.
Hooray!
Yay! Basically, my goal was I had all of my garland supplies in a giant. Well, I originally had them on a little shelf, but it just started growing and growing.
And
The mountain was getting bigger, and it was giving me anxiety looking at it. So I was like, no, I need to organize this. And so I went and got myself another little Alex unit from IKEA and
Was that
some
what they're called?
Yeah, they're the Alex series. And I got some organizing bins, and my goal was to get all of it into the Alex drawer unit. That was my goal. That's what I wanted. All of my supplies and all of my finished garlands. Keep watching to see if that actually happened.
You know, those things happen. All right, so we will start the video, and I've not seen this, and so I'm gonna ask lots of questions. Yay!
Yeah, I'll try. I'll do my best to explain my thought process. I had a lot of fun making this for you. All right, here we go.
The before, what Amber was talking about.
How did I live with this? Shame.
Well, you put it in a small room, so you can just close the door.
Yeah, so this is me just bringing it all out, and my cats are helping.
Yes.
And it's a lot of stuff, and they really are just really following me back and forth, back and forth. They were having a lot of fun, and then they were playing with everything. Happy tail.
Happy little tail. Is this all garland stuff?
Yeah. See?
Just garland.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, those are cool.
These are some bins. Some were expanding. Some I could move and make bigger or smaller. Some were triple. Some were trying to figure out the layout for the drawers here. I got what I could. That was kind of how it was. All right, getting comfy. Kick off the slippers. Do a sip. Throw the slippers. Let's go. So this is obviously sped up. I kid you not, probably 20 times. It took me in real life time almost an hour of just focus. And right here, I'm just trying to figure out the shipping materials.
Yeah, all the shipping and packing stuff.
Yeah, garbage. What do I want to do? Do I want to keep the paper? How do I want to fold it? Where do I want to put it? I used the tissue paper to wrap the garlands. I have one bag left. And
our compostable bags.
Yes.
That's nice.
And here you can see I'm like, oh, I'll put them in a box. Perfect.
Yeah, might as well.
And I found more paper.
There's always more paper.
Yeah. I mean, bubble wrap. This is actually all the string and supplies that I used to make the garlands. I was just making sure it wasn't a mess. I wanted to keep everything. Sneak peek.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't remember seeing those.
No, that's a sneak peek, guys. Oh, look, a cat. Yeah, at this point I'm just going through all of the boxes of balls.
So many balls.
So many balls.
Many garlands to come.
And what I was trying to do was separate it by project, because in my mind, that's what I like to do. I like the idea of just grabbing a bin, and that is my garland to the best of my ability. So that's what I was trying to do. For the whites and the beige, I was putting all together because I go to those the most. So it made the most sense.
Well, and you can grab a beige one and then your other like accent colors and stuff, right?
Exactly. So I'm at this
Your blue
point,
balls.
yeah, my blue balls. You can see that's going to be a project. And then, what am I grabbing? Yeah, behind me is some bins that I'm actually, again, grouping by projects. So if I have a bag of like mixed balls that all go together, I'm just going to put them together.
Mm-hmm.
Right there, that long skinny one is just shapes. Again, I think you can kind of see
Oh
it's
yeah, for some of if you caught the live that we did that Amber showed off some of the new stuff that she got. Go check it
I
out.
forgot. I'm laughing because I called myself out for forgetting to drink my little drink off there. I'm
Yeah,
almost done with this box. Do you know that was bugging me? And look, more completed garlands, more completed garlands. This is along my wood beads.
oh yeah.
At this point, I realized there's no
It's
way all
me.
of this is gonna fit.
There's too many.
Yeah. At this point, I was also going, oh, they're white, they match. And then I was like, wait, they're actually different by like so subtle of a shade that I had to
Oh,
like pick them out. I was so not happy.
I can see the
Um,
point.
yeah.
You're like,
See, I'm like staring, I'm like, oh no. It was, but I'm meticulous. I can't help it. I will see if there's one ball that is off color and it will bug me.
well,
Uh
it's important. Like you wouldn't want
yeah,
to purchase a garland and like all of the colors are mostly the same. Like you want all the colors to be the same. And as
exactly.
best as you can with felt, because there is going to be
There,
some
yeah,
variation, but like
exactly.
yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, to my left, there's some completed little bins.
Yeah.
I was struggling with the what's the word? They're they have polka dots and swirls kind of balls. I was
Oh,
trying to
like
figure out,
the jazzy ones.
yeah, I was trying to figure out what to do with those. Right now they're in just like a little bin, a little container, but I end up moving things around
Yeah.
because I have no plan. I literally was like, okay, let's do this. And then yeah, see him there I switched about. um Yeah, I was really just trying to focus on condensing, getting everything out of plastic, getting everything to a space where I can grab it, pick it out of a drawer, move it somewhere, and not just have a bunch of trash everywhere. Um,
Yeah.
Something
Well,
that I
and
can easily
yeah, so
see.
you can like quickly look at your supplies so you can see what you have. So you can be like, I want to make this, but
Exactly.
what do I
Yes.
have to make it and not miss it too, right? Because you don't want to like purchase something that you already have or something similar or something like that. Like,
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly. I'm in my last couple containers here, and I was trying to figure out how to condense it all. Uh, because I had I have little miscellaneous items, like the little wood.
Mm,
Um,
hmm.
I can't think today, guys. Here it is. So far, I'm very proud. Look at this. They're all like completed
All
and they're all
coming
looking good.
together.
It's no
Yeah, no, it
longer a
looks
bunch of
really
like,
good.
yeah, I was really like, it worked. Um,
Where did you get the bins from? Did you already say?
Homesense.
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 Ooh, the
And
first drawer.
yeah, and I'm putting them in. These ones are the expandable ones. That's why I use them. And I went to go close the drawer and it was like getting all squishy, so I had to like push down. It's
Why
like,
didn't
come
you just
on.
open the thing a little bit more? Or is it as open
It
as it goes?
it was as open as it could
Oh.
go. Don't worry, I fix it. Here again you can see the shapes, strawberries and stuff, and the more darker sort of beige balls. Um, And the reason I said drawer setup attempt number one, because I might change this.
Well,
There's some more projects, more projects.
Sometimes you just have to throw some balls around and see what works.
Exactly. Again, more projects, so you can see all my fancy ones there. I got them all together. And here's my shapes and characters.
Oh, those little
Ghosties.
reindeer guys are so cute.
Yeah. They're actually deer. They're not reindeer, they're deer.
Well, no, but they had some, like, you had some of your Christmas ones in there too.
I think I had like 2.
Oh, okay. Well, they're still cute.
Okay. And the final one. In the bottom 2 drawers are actually empty. I found a stick thing, so I'm going to use that for a wall hanging. Spoiler! The bottom 2 drawers I have empty because I wanted to put the completed garlands in there. And then I started realizing how much room these actually take up, but also how squishy they are. You'd be surprised how many garlands I can fit in a drawer. Like, I shocked myself, to be honest.
Quite a number.
Yes. So really at this point, I'm just shoving the completed garlands in there to see what I can make fit. Mixture of wood beads and felt garlands. I'm just trying to see what will work. I tried putting them in just on the sides, and I'm not gonna lie, I hated it. So I
took
those out. Yeah. Because I think at this point, I was like, this isn't gonna work. I'd like to just have all supplies in the drawers, no completed garlands. So that's all my leftovers. I didn't like it.
Plot twist!
I moved all the wood bead garlands into clear containers and did some more work. That's all my supplies. Yeah. Sorry, I went a little blurry. White, beige, projects and shapes, more projects and shapes, and wood beads, all supplies. I did it. And I had to use my tall shelves. So there's all my wood beads, shipping supplies, yarns, wool stuff. In those 2 boxes, I actually have my completed felt ball garlands. That's what I used. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I know it was really fast, a lot more fast than I can talk. And I ended up with something that so far is working, and I do like it. And yeah, it's also the more projects I do, the more less cluttered the shelves and the drawers will be, because they'll be turned into something. So
hooray!
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching me be, the Flash and get it done. And yay! I feel a lot less anxiety looking at all my stuff now. And my partner even said, wow, that room looks so good. I was like, I know, right? Yeah, you just got to invest in some organization stuff, and it just changes your life. But yeah, thank you for watching. And do you have any questions for me, Carla, before I sign off?
All of the questions, all of the time. So you got your bins from Homesense, yeah?
Yes, all of the organization bins for in the drawers I got from Homesense, which is like the Canadian home goods TJ Maxx thing.
Does Homesense not exist in the States?
No, not well. I think they are opening some.
Oh, okay. Well, then there you go.
So you can get things for apparently cheaper. And yeah, IKEA shelves and IKEA drawer unit. The drawer unit is the Alex unit. The shelving unit, I think, is the Billy. It's one of the Billies. It's a skinny one. That's all I know. I've had it forever. So
I think it is the Billy one. But do you still have anything in between your shelves?
Nope.
Oh, yeah, it would look good. I'm excited to see it when we're both not sick again.
Yeah.
That's why we're shooting in different areas.
Yes.
Yeah.
And yeah, I hope this kind of maybe gave a little bit of inspiration to people that's kind of thinking, I have too much stuff. What do I do with it? You know what? Anything's possible. I had boxes and boxes of balls, man. And if I can do it, you can do it.
All of the balls. All of
All
the
of the
balls.
balls.
Yeah, no, I mean, sometimes it does just take a little bit of like plotting, and then when you actually go to do it, you just have to be open to changing whatever you thought was going to happen, because
Oh
sometimes
yeah.
it just what you imagine in your mind doesn't always work in reality.
Nope. All I cared about when I was looking for the organization bins for the drawers was I called Nerf King and I got him to measure the drawers on the inside, and so I knew that they would fit.
What size?
Um,
Yeah.
yeah. But other than that, I had no plan. I was just going to see what I could come up with and hope it worked. So luckily, I think it did. So I'm very, very happy. Um, and yeah, I hope it was interesting.
I enjoyed it.
But yeah, like, subscribe, follow us on
Join,
Instagram.
follow us on the YouTubes as well, just in case you are just magically seeing this because you like organization and crafty stuff. More
Yeah,
crafty stuff to come.
yeah. Watch Carla's videos. She's a lot of fun to do crafts with.
Yes, my next crafting series or my next video is going to come out soon. There's just been sick child, so everything's just gotten delayed. And then sick us.
And then sick us. We're all sick.
Yay!
Yeah, so that was it. That's what I created. I'm gonna post a reel, so it'll be on our Instagram, the very short version of this.
Yeah,
And
they're like,
okay,
anyways, we're gonna
bye.
sign off. And yeah, bye.